Hello, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So, in the previous video, we solved a similar problem, right? We asked to find or check whether this is a solution of the differential equation. And what do you mean by that? We are to get y prime. So y prime is the derivative of y, the first derivative of y. So differentiating this respect to x. That's what y prime means. Then y prime means differentiating the second time. Then after getting all this, you substitute the value, your y prime and y prime into this equation. Then if what you have here after simplification is the same thing, is equal to ln x, what we have here, that means it's a solution of the differential equation. In the previous examples, we have a 0 here, and we have 0. But this, we're having ln x. Now let's check if this is a solution of differential equation, right? Now let's get to the solving. So this is our y. Our y is x minus ln x. So y prime is what? Y prime, if you differentiate y with respect to x, you have 1 minus, if you differentiate ln x, what do you have? 1 over x, right? So we differentiate the second time, which is y prime equal to 1. So how do you differentiate this? This is a quotient rule. So I use quotient rule to differentiate this, right? V du minus u dv all over v squared. But we can actually simplify this so that the differentiation will be easier for us. Let's say that this is 1 over, this is the same thing as 1 inverse, right? So with this, we can differentiate this. This will come here, we have plus x minus 2, right? So we differentiate this using the normal power rule. The power rule says that if you have y equal to x of n, then our dy dx is what? Equal to nx n minus 1, right? So your n will multiply the base, and you subtract what? Subtract 1. So here, what we did here is, oh, sorry, this will give us 0. This is a constant. This will give us 0, right? So here, minus 1 will multiply this. You have what? You have plus. Minus times minus will give you plus. Then you subtract 1. Minus 1 will give you minus 2, right? So this is equal to 1 over x squared. It's the same thing. If you convert this back to fraction, you have this, right? Now what do? We substitute all this y prime into this equation, right? So what we have x squared. Y prime is what? 1 over x squared plus x. What is y prime? Y prime is what? 1 minus 1 over x minus y. What is y? X minus ln x. Please, you have to take notice of this. This will distribute into this x and minus ln x, right? So we simplify further. If we simplify further, we have what? This will cancel this. We have 1 plus x. This will distribute into this minus. This will cancel this. We have what? 1, right? Minus x plus, because minus times minus will give you plus, ln x. But meanwhile, all this is equal to what? Ln x. From this equation, all this is equal to ln x. So we have 1 and minus 1. It will cancel out, right? We have plus x and minus x. It will cancel out. So we are left with what? Ln x is equal to ln x. So hence, this is a solution of the equation. As simple as that.